Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I've got a quick tutorial to show you how to use Cricut SnapMat. SnapMat is a feature on the Cricut Design Space mobile app. This feature allows you to take a photo of your Cricut mat and drag and drop your designs to whatever spot on the mat you want them cut. This feature makes it really easy to use up the little scraps of vinyl or cardstock or whatever you have that you don't know what to do with. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. First, place all of your pieces of whatever material you're using onto your Cricut cutting mat. I'm using 8 pieces of white Cricut removable vinyl. Open your Cricut Design Space app. From the canvas, hit Upload and select the files for the designs that you want to cut. I'm going to be creating 8 acrylic Christmas ornaments using this Lash Boss design, so I selected it from my photo library and removed the white background to create the cut file. Then in my canvas, I resized the design in the Edit menu to be 2.5 inches wide, and the dimensions of the design will fit on all 8 of my white vinyl scraps. From the Actions menu, I hit Duplicate to create a total of 8 copies of the Lash Boss design. You can do this with multiple different designs, and you can also use multiple colors of vinyl scraps on your mat. Just make sure that the designs on your canvas are all set to be the same color so that Design Space sorts them onto one cutting mat. Once all of your designs are ready, hit Make It, and the SnapMat feature will show up in the bottom left corner of the mat preview. Click that button and allow access to your camera. Then position your phone directly above your Cricut mat so that it fits inside the square on the screen. The levels at the top and the side of the mat indicate which direction to tip your phone to find the right angle. Full disclosure, this part can be a bit tricky and take a long time. But once you have it in the right spot, an image of your mat will show up on your screen. Hit Use, and then you can drag and drop your designs all over the mat to their respective materials. When you're happy with their placement, hit Next, connect your machine, and choose your cut settings. Then you're ready to load your mat into your machine and start the cut. Your Cricut machine will cut each scrap of vinyl perfectly wherever you placed your designs. When the cut is done, unload your mat and you're ready to weed your designs and continue with your project. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!